Today we talk about a few quality indicators that you should care about most in the process of buying aluminum composite panels. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, because this video will help you to encounter fewer pitfalls in the process of buying aluminum composite panels. First, before your aluminum composite panels leave the factory, you confirm that the thickness of these panels will be precisely the panel thickness you require. Second, before your aluminum composite panels leave the factory, you confirm that the aluminum thickness of these panels is the exact aluminum thickness you require. Third, before your aluminum composite panels leave the factory, you need to make sure that the coating of the panels is the exterior PVDF coating you need. Fourth, before your aluminum composite panels leave the factory, you need to make sure that all the colors of the panels are the colors you require and there are no color differences. The above 4 points are the 4 most important quality indicators for aluminum composite panels. As long as you pay attention to these 4 indicators before the panels leave the factory, basically, the panels you receive will not have any more quality problems. After all, when aluminum composite panels come to you across the sea, it's too late to find out that something is wrong with the quality. I hope you can remember these 4 indicators of the quality I have told you today. Finally, I wish you always smooth sailing and no quality problems in your purchase of aluminum composite panels. See you next time!